The check from your insurance company finally arrives and you assume that's it. The claim is over, time to move on. Then repairs start, and you realize the scope of work your insurer approved doesn't match the damage that's actually there. So was the claim really resolved or just closed? At StormLex Law Group, we help Texas property owners tell the difference. Here's the frequently asked questions we hear from clients when they first contact our firm. Question 1. What does a genuinely successful claim resolution actually look like? It means the claim was fully reviewed, accurately scoped for damages, and resolved in line with your actual policy, not just what one adjuster happened to spot during a single walkthrough. In Texas, the claims that resolve well almost always share 3 things: properly documented damage, consistent communication throughout, and a final decision that matches both the policy language and what repairs genuinely require. Question 2. Why do so many claims stall or fall short of that? It's rarely about bad intent. Adjusters carry heavy caseloads, inspections can be brief, and reports often rely on templates that don't account for damage that develops over time or needs specialized evaluation. Add in gaps in communication, and you get claims that technically close without ever really being resolved. Question 3. Is my claim considered done once I've been paid? Not necessarily. A claim is functionally resolved when the scope and the payment actually match the covered damage. If repairs uncover additional covered issues afterward, further review may still be possible. But only if you catch it and act fast, since insurers won't flag it for you. Question 4. What can I do to protect my own claim before it's too late? Document every bit of visible and hidden damage. Keep every inspection report, estimate, and piece of correspondence. Review the claim scope line by line instead of just glancing at the total. And put your questions in writing, so there's a record of what was actually asked and answered. Insurers like to delay deeper review once a number gets issued. Deny any request to revisit the scope after the fact, and undervalue the true cost of repairs by treating the first estimate as final. A check isn't proof the process worked. It's just proof something got paid. At StormLex Law Group, attorneys Flores, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, and Jake Rogiers help Texas property owners make sure their claim has taken into account their full coverage for repairs. If you're not confident your last insurance payout reflected the real cost of your damage, it's worth a second look. Visit StormLex.com or call StormLex Law Group today for a free case evaluation.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.